So today we're just doing a quick recap, another recap of last week's analysis and how everything played out. So last week I mentioned in the group that SPY was creating a nice rising wedge here. I think that was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago I mentioned that, and we did breakout last week, and then market did the retracement, and we retraced all the way back to the higher lows right here. And then last week we started rejecting here. We broke that 392 support. We did a retest, and then we kept on dropping here. I missed my entry around this area, but we caught that drop on the lower highs. So we also had the rising wedge on this one, and then we broke it. I saw a nice lower lows here. We actually broke that lower lows Thursday. Yeah, we broke it Thursday. Then finally Friday morning, after the news came out, which is I think the core CPI or something. Let me double check. Okay, we had the news about, what was that? The PMI. Okay, my bad, it's not the core. So we had the PMI, and then market drop. We waited for a retest, see if he's gonna do a retest, or if he's gonna pretty much break above these lower lows, and market didn't hold above. It just did a nice retest. So we entered around this area, and then I saw that it started breaking my daily support, which is 3860 something area, and then I shorted that. I actually shorted this a few times. So if you look at here, 3866, I actually entered around. I had one position here. This is the retest, 3866, and another one, 3877. So that was this one, the higher one. So I caught this first one right here after we broke this retest. I caught this first one here, and then market open another candlestick, it push up, and then it drop. So we caught those trades. We made 26k, almost 27 Friday, December 16. So I entered that. We had a lot of confirmations that market was weak. We had the DOA sniper holding red in the meter as well, breaking some nice supports. So for this week, I'm still waiting for the market to pretty much decide if you're gonna break this area or not. But at this point, we want to see the market break the lows from last week. So right now, green arrow and meter is actually holding. So we want to see that things start turning red and start breaking structure around this area. And once we do that, we can start selling it again. And I see SPX dropping all the way to about 38. I had this level here. I mean 37.95. So right now we're on a mini uptrend, still doing a retest, doing a nice retracement bounce, creating a nice higher lows. So once the red arrow emitter starts turning red and we start breaking this area and the structures, we can short this all the way to about 3800. I still like 3800 area. And for US 30, it's also doing a retracement here. I just posted some analysis in the private chat, and this thing can go all the way down to like 32,400 if you get rejected here. So there's a retest area. It's trying to retest here. 4 hours still holding red, the sniper in the meter, so there's still selling pressure there. 15, so it's trying to do a nice bounce as well. So it looks like it's trying to squeeze right here, creating a nice lower highs and a nice higher high. So we have a squeeze happening right now. We'll see on the New York session tomorrow, and then I usually do I like doing my analysis in the morning when the market started, when the volume comes in. So right now, that's why I see markets trying to bounce. Might retest around this area here because we haven't tapped this area in US 30. But for SPX, I mainly trade SPX. Yeah, around this area. Probably retest back to like 3870 area. But we're waiting for the red confirmations, DOA confirmations in the 15 or 5 minutes. Like once you start firing, breaking structures and levels, that's when we'll start entering. Alright guys, just let me know if you have any questions. Just send me a message in Instagram or Discord. I'll send the link. I'll post the link on the caption at the bottom. Thank you guys.